John Kotter suggests an 8-step process to follow for successful change. It consists of establishing a sense of urgency. When you're proposing a change, you need to have a sense of urgency. There needs to be a sense that this change needs to take place, and it needs to take place, and these are the reasons why. Create a guiding coalition. You have to have a balance between management and leadership in order for the change to take place and be successful. Develop a vision. You need to know why, and there needs to be a clear communication of the vision. What is the look of the future? And that needs to be stated. People need to know what it is you're changing and why you're changing it. This goes along with the next step as far as communicating the change vision. People need to understand why they're changing it. If you are to expect that people buy into the change and go along with the change, they need to understand what it is they're changing and why. And it needs to make sense in order for buy-in to happen. Empower employees. Give employees the tools that they need to make the change. Empower your employees. Celebrate short-term wins. Celebrate and recognize employees. Celebrate those short-term wins. It creates motivation and keeps motivation going in order to fulfill that change. Consolidate gains to produce more change. As change happens and it's successful, if you celebrate those short-term wins and you consolidate those gains, that helps to give you credibility towards making more change. As you can say, these changes have happened, they've been successful, and then you can provide that as proof to provide even more change. Anchor new approach in the culture. Is when you're making a change, you want to make sure that your change sticks, that you're not flipping back to the way you did things. So you want to make sure that you anchor your new approach to the culture.